Hello students. Now today we start grammar in use of lesson number 3rd. Here read the question under A. We have to read the question under A and make suitable answer from with the help of table under B. Now the first answer is given to you. Like, can Jaya cook? With the help of this table, answer becomes no, but Jaya is learning how to cook. Now second answer, can Uma write a letter? No, but Padma is teaching Uma how to write letters. Third, did Murali buy the sweets? No, because Murali did not know where to get the sweets. Fourth, did Prema put the cups back in the right place? Yes. Janki showed Prema where to put the cups. Fifth, what did Anand do next? He did not do anything because he did not know what to do next. Shall I start the car now? No, I will tell you when to start it. So like that, with the help of table B, we have to complete the answer of table A. Now students, go to the next question. Here, rewrite the following in indirect speech as shown above. So you have already learned about the direct or indirect speech in your previous class. So here I explain you this. Here this statement is in direct form. We have to convert into indirect form. The first sentence is, shall I give the pot to this young man? The old woman asked the thieves from inside the house. So you look here, there is a question. So when we write the sentence in indirect form, we write whether she should give the pot to this young man. The old woman asked the thieves from inside the house. Here we look that will becomes would and tomorrow morning becomes the next morning. So we have to convert the modals or the verb tense and the tense. Second, will you have tea or coffee? I asked the guest. So I asked the guest whether you becomes he would have tea or coffee. Third, is Leela going with you to the cinema with or me for a walk? Mr. Prasad asked Shekhar. So Mr. Prasad asked Shekhar whether he would going with Leela or with me to the cinema or for a walk. Fourth, do the boys want to go to Chennai or to Delhi for the excursion? The headmaster asked the class teacher. The sentence become, the headmaster asked the class teacher whether did the boys want to go to Chennai or to Delhi for the excursion. Fifth, will Diwali fall on Monday or Tuesday? I asked mother. The sentence become, I asked mother whether Diwali would fall on Monday or Tuesday. Sixth, have you had your lunch? The boy asked his friend. The sentence become, the boy asked his friend whether he had his lunch. So students, like that you have to convert the following sentences into indirect speech and write it in your fair notebook. Thank you.